everyone, it's Joanne. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you through a video on how to make these little hot cocoa packages. They're little packets. So I just covered it in the front with some embellishments, some string. There's a hot cocoa package inside along with a candy cane. And that's pretty much it. It's for a craft fair that we have coming up. This is another one I did. This one is Let It Snow. The other one was Merry Christmas. And I just left it blank on the back. I may put a blank piece of cardstock on the back with to and from maybe on it for co-workers or for teacher or students or something like that. And same thing in this one. This is the hot cocoa mix and it has the marshmallows. Yeah, so I've made about 10 of them so far. So I'm going to change the paper up and do a different style for maybe with a little pinkish color. So let's get to it. All right, so what I used on this project is this Craft Smart paper pad. Really cute designs in it. I like the color with the pink in it, and I thought it was really cute. So I chose a couple pieces from here. Now I've already done some, as you know, and so I'm gonna continue with this process on these. And so I'm gonna cut them up. So let's first cut the envelope. So all I do is just trying to find the center and just do a little fold in the side. Then they don't quite measure up to what the box says on it, so that's that. And then I'm just going to close it up. Like so. So now you have your little pockets on both. Okay. And with the last strip that I have, I was able to get 3 strips because I did 4 inches across and it's 12 by 12. So now I'm just going to turn it. And this one I need 4 7/16. So right before the mark before the half is what I want. And the same on this one. I like to do like a mass production of it. So we'll do 2 in this video. So I have those 2. And the same thing. And because the pattern, the way the pattern is, I want to make sure that I'm cutting it so that the bulbs are up this way. And one more. And always use your scraps. So in this one, I actually use my scraps as well. And what I do is I take a piece of the scrap that's left over at the ends, and these pieces were left over. So all I'm going to do is just, I'm going to use the back part of it. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this one. I really like this pattern, so I may use it for another part of a project. So let's cut it this way. I'm going to cut probably like a 3/4 of an inch. That might be a little wide, but I'm going to take about 3/4 of an inch. Cut that piece. And I already have one piece cut, so that's all I'm going to do here. So I have my 4 pieces. I already have Happy Holidays stamped on this one. So what I'll do is I'll take my Merry Christmas stamp and just stamp it up. And just find the center, excuse my head there, find the center. Give it a little press. I like to roll it just a bit, but don't want to push too hard because sometimes I push too hard and then it blots together. Oh, that turned out perfect. So I'm going to keep that ink out actually because I have my to and from, and with the leftover pieces that I had from the other side, from these, I used my tag punch and I was able to cut some tags out. So what I'm going to do is put to and from so that it's going to look like this. And then on the back, it's going to have a to and from, so you can give it to your teachers or co-workers or whatever for the holidays. Cute little gift, inexpensive. So all I'm going to do is just go to and from, pop it off like so, and I just need one more. There we go, like that. Close that up. All right, so I'm going to let those two dry and the other Merry Christmas dry. And so I know the way that I want my pattern. I'm going to have it this way and that way. And this one, it won't matter. So I'll get rid of my spare pieces there. So let's do the back part first. So all I'm going to do, I can see that I have my openings up here. Take my tape. And again, you can use glue, you can use whatever your favorite adhesive is. So it's a really quick project. Now that wasn't too centered very well, but that's all right. It's the back side, so you're not going to see it as much as you would the front. There we go. Better. Okay, so if we want at this time, we can stick these on the back. And all I like to do is we'll put on the sides and one right down the center. And we can just give it a little tilt to it. Same thing with this one. And I'll go the other way. All right, so that's the back sides. So let's go to the front. These are going to be really quick and easy to make. And you don't need to have cardstock. You don't need to have any of that. You can use paper, colored paper from the dollar store. You can really use whatever you want. Construction paper, any of it. It's whatever you wish. You could even draw, or if you have stamps, stickers. As I showed in previous pictures, I use dollar store stickers or whatever stickers you have on hand. It really doesn't matter. So that's back to the up, like that. There we go. And we have, I already stamped Happy Holidays, as I mentioned. So I'm going to put this one kind of up top. There we go. And then Merry Christmas, we'll give that a little stick. Turned over. All right, and let's put this one on the bottom. And there we go. So really quick and easy. I cut 38 inches in this string. You don't need it that much, but the way that I'm doing it, I'm going around several times with it. You can make it into a knot, which I found a lot easier because my bows, I'm not really good at tying the bows, but that's what they look like with the knot versus the bow. All right. So just find the center. Turn. And I take the one string and go underneath all of them so that they stay together. So if you want to just do a knot, you can do it like so, and then cut it. Okay. So that's that one. And you can put the to and from. You can put it even up a little higher so that it's like that. And then the other one, you can tie a bow. Again, if you can tie bows better, then it'll look really, really sharp. But So like that. I find these really fun to make. I like to mass produce and, you know, cut all my paper down, cut all my tags and my banners and the rope and, you know, create the same but maybe change where I put things and, you know, just change it up a little bit but keeping all the same paper in that. So what I do is if I'm doing the bow, I like to tie it in a knot. And I kind of turn it upside down because my bows, if they work the other way, they don't quite turn out right. So there we go. And that's that. Then you just take your hot cocoa package and a candy cane. You can add some marshmallows if you like, candy kisses, and so this will go really great with the craft fair that we have with all the edibles that we're going to be doing, cookies, cakes, whatever that we can come up with this year. Everything had to be handmade, so this is perfect for coworkers, for yourself, for teachers, whatever, for anybody, friends, anything. So great little gift ideas. I thought they turned out pretty cute, so let me know what you think.